Akiaria hindi ya mungururio cio komanda wa borithi mwena wa Nyeri Njue Njagi augite wiki ithatu hituku ni mahotete guthukia lita 3,000 cia chang'aa iria yendagio majengo mwena ucio wa Nyeri.
2 weeks ago we managed from River Muringato to destroy some 1,500 liters of the same Ngangara. So in total I think we are doing well, almost 2,000 liters already destroyed.
Oho niongereire kuga ni maguthie na mbere na mungururio wa kuhitana na njohi cia ibango kaunti-ini ya Nyeri.
And we want the members of the public to come and in hard to give us the information so that we can be able to arrest this situation.
Ekwirwo aya maranyitirwo thutha wa muingi gukunyira borithi ati ni makoretwo makiruga njohi. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wangeci wa Kagure.